Welcome to our tutorial on Visio. What I think I'd like to do is go with a basic diagram. No, I think I'm going to try categories. And let's go with a flowchart today. And this looks nice, a basic flowchart. I'll start with a blank. We'll create. And it's easier than ever. We can drag our shapes in place, and when we go with the new shape, like the process, if we hover over the one above, it will automatically draw an arrow to the next. And I'll take my decision and put that there, and it's going to draw an arrow to that one. And now we'll make a decision and go to one side. To the side it's not as clear, but I can just click on this arrow and then it will send an arrow over there. And then I'll also go with one more process. And that one didn't connect either, so I will move this down and connect it. There. If we wanted to make this decision shown up, we can click on this arrow and just type yes for this. And down below, this can be no. Just selecting the arrow itself will allow us to type in and so forth. Oh, and what's the decision? Well, let's type that in this box. Yes or no? Question mark. So there we are with a basic flowchart. My favorite, though, is doing office layouts. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to say New, and this time I'm going to look for, how about Business? And how about floor plan? Let's try that. There we go. Let's do an office layout. And what we need is a wall or a room first, so I'll just drag a room out there. Let's add some cubicles, so I'll come up here to cubicles. There we are. Let's grab some small ones, like a small L shape. And let's go with another L, but I'll spin it around. It's got a little spinner on it. And let's throw some stuff out there. How about accessories? A beautiful plant, a large palm. Let's maybe take up a lot of space. Nice. And now we've got people here. Let's make the woman down here be working. And then we'll take this man, there should be a man relaxing. There it is, man relaxing. Let's throw him over here. Just chilling on his cell phone. There we go. And then we're done. That is Visio in a nutshell.